Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, September 16th, and yeah, right, September 16th, yes. And today we're just gonna go do some errands, and then I think we're gonna go to a dealership to go get a truck. We're trying to get a truck for his work. So yeah, follow me to this journey vlog. Okay guys, so we are here at the dealership. Yeah, so I'm gonna go inside and ask about the cars. Wish me good luck. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. So yesterday Saturday, we didn't end up doing nothing. We just end up going to the dealership, and we didn't have any luck. But today is Sunday, so it's Sunday is the day we try to spend time with the kids, to do something with them, and yeah, like typical Sunday. We're planning to go to the aquarium. We're not sure, but a ver qué pasa. I know we're gonna go to TJ Maxx right now because I want to see what's new, what they have, if they have new things. But yeah, my bebes. Say hi, Kayla.
Hi.
Say hi, Chloe.
Hi. Oh, Dad, there's a car.
This
Ah! Mommy.
This is my fatty. Hey, baby.
It's okay.
Okay, guys, so we came to the Petco to buy some
more
food
food.
for Kayla's hamster. So we're here just watching the fishes. This is their aquarium.
Kayla, enjoy your aquarium.
Kayla, enjoy your aquarium. It's right here. You have a lot of fish.
This is not the aquarium.
Look at this one.
Dad.
Look.
Dad.
So cute. He's so excited. Imagine he's excited right here. Over there he can touch them.
Look at the tiny one. Did he have turtles over there?
Look,
Fish.
They glow.
Fish, baby.
Dad.
He's super excited.
Papi, look.
These turtles right here, I have two, but they're like more small. They've been with me since almost 6 years. I have them. Right, baby? 6 años la has tenido? 6 years I have them?
We've been having her for 6 years. Since before she was born.
Yep. Yeah.
It's called Hoka Princess.
Okay, so we are at Buffalo. We came to eat something with the girls. We end up not going to the aquarium, but we came to eat something. Hey guys, so I ordered me some medium hot wings, and then he got
Mango habanero.
mango habanero, and then the girls got some chicken tenders, mozzarella sticks. So yeah, guys, let's eat. Okay guys, so we just finished eating, and now we're just gonna go, I think we're just gonna go home because tomorrow is work day, and we're just so yeah, so that's my vlog for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and join me in my adventures. Yeah, If you like this video, just don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my videos. And I hope you like this video. Thank you, gorgeous.
Sayonara.
Bye. Ciao, ciao.